Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's April here, and today's video, I'm just about to get ready. I already curled my hair and stuff. I'm going to a denim and white party. It's a paint and sip party. Yeah, and it's also gonna be like a little surprise party for one of my friends. Yeah, but I'm gonna start off. Y'all look, my package finally came. It's Saturday. My package was supposed to come Thursday, even though I ordered it last Tuesday. And it didn't come until yesterday. Yeah, but anyway, so I got the Warrior 2 palette. I'm excited. I already opened it to look at it. You know, all these colors are so pretty. Like, I'm using this today. I was gonna do like the purple look that I had did the other day. Hopefully that video will be up before this one. But I was going to do the purple look and I wasn't gonna record so I could film us out tonight. But when this came and I looked at it and I'm like, I'm doing it. I got this Juvia's Place blending brush. I don't know though if I'm really gonna like use it on my eyes. It's so big. I don't know. I might use it under my eyes. I don't know. And I also got another foundation. Like, all this stuff was on sale. Let me tell y'all, the palette was $10. Let me find it on here. Yep. And the foundation was $12. And then the other day, they moved it to, Friday, it was $10. But I don't know why I ain't ordered another one. And then this is the concealer. It was $7. Yeah, $7.70. The highlighter blending brush. Oh, and I wonder why. It is for like highlight. So that's what I'm using it for. I was right. That was $3.75. But yeah, the concealer. I've been wanting to get the concealer. And at first when I was going to Ulta, they never had my shade. And this is J13. And I did use it to conceal my brows today. And it's like bomb. Well, so far. And I did my brows at like 9 this morning. And they still look pretty good. And it's like almost 2. And I have to get ready early because we have to be there for 6. And I still have 2 clients coming at 3. So I got to try to get ready in between. And I got a new blush. Finally. I bought the Bella blush. And it looks like this. We're going to try this today. I'm excited. Yep. That's all I got. I don't know why I thought I ordered some more stuff, but I did order some stuff from like Ulta and ColourPop. So I'll just wait for those to get here. So let me go ahead on and figure out what base I'm gonna use for my eyelids. I'm gonna go on and prime those, and I'm gonna come back ready to do the eyeshadow, which I'm probably gonna use this that's in my hand. If I don't use the Makeup Revolution, I'm gonna use the P. Louise, but I'll let y'all know when I come back. Okay, so I went ahead on and primed my eyelids. I used the P. Louise base in room number 4. Y'all let me move my waist train. It's all in our way. Okay, so we're about to go ahead on and get started. I wish these palettes had a mirror so I wouldn't have to use another mirror, but anyway. So I told you it's a denim and white theme, so I'm pretty much gonna do like a neutral kind of eye. I don't know. But I'm gonna start with this shade. I'm gonna assume that it's called Yodit, but it's gonna be my transition shade. Well, I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna mix it with Zama, I don't know, but this pretty orange shade. And this is more like a, kind of like a peanut butter caramel type shade. So I'm gonna mix those two. Yeah, I just blend that in. I'm just gonna try to build the color up until I get the color payoff that I want. It's a pretty color. These shades, I mean, I have a Juvia's Place palette. I have the Zulu, and I like that palette too. The colors, the shadows blend very, very nicely. Okay, it's more of a nice blown out look, okay? So my next shade, this palette already getting nasty. I think I'm gonna go in with this Kufaru. It looks darker in the pan than it does on camera, but this is a nice chocolate brown shade. I'm gonna put that directly into my crease. I'm gonna use a different brush. This is the Morphe M535. It's just gonna add a little more definition. Y'all can see that. And it helps me out when I just stamp it where I want it to go and then blend it out. And if you feel like you lost any of like your transition shade, you can always go back and blend over that just to make sure you have a seamless eye look. Now, because my outfit is gonna be so basic, because it's like denim and white, and the shirt that I wanted to wear isn't gonna be here in time, so I'm just gonna try to make my eye look, well, make my makeup a little more, you know, out there. I'm just gonna use this same E2 brush and take this black. It was so black. This shade is called Shawada. I don't know. This like black. I'm only gonna use a little. See, a little. Put that in my outer V. Just right in here. Yeah, when you be using black, you gotta really blend that. That can kind of be hard. I'm using my first brush I used to help me kind of blend this black out so it won't be too harsh. But I want it there, you know. Now here I go, add more, and I hope it don't be one of those moments where I be like, it was at this moment she knew she up. Gonna pray that it work, okay? That I can blend it all out. So yeah, in the middle of me doing like blending my shadows and stuff, the mailman comes. My Ulta package just arrived. So I got the Make a Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I'm like excited because we're gonna try this tonight. I'm like, oh, do I want to try this when I'm really going somewhere? It doesn't matter. I'm gonna try it. If I have to mix in with another foundation, I will. And this is the Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette. Now see, maybe I should have waited to do my makeup, but I didn't have a lid shade in the Warrior 2 palette that I wanted to use. So look at the shades. They're gorgeous. I'm going to use No Days Off. It's like a nice soft nude shade. Yeah, light tan. I'm gonna put this on the lid. We're gonna try this wing thing on camera, y'all. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I am back. What did I do? I went ahead on and color correct where I usually do. And I added my primer. The primer I used was the NYX Bear With Me. I used, where is it? It's somewhere out. Here it is. the Smashbox. And this is like to fill in my pores, like hide my pores, minimize my pores. And then I put the Bare With Me on. Oh God, my leg hurts. And I use the Becca primer just like in my T-zone because I'm using a hydrating foundation, and I'm going out tonight, so I don't really know how it's gonna work. So I think I'm gonna mix it with a matte foundation just for tonight, and then I'll do another video where I get it an actual shot. So I'm in the shade F13, and this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation. I've tried the matte one and I like it. So let's see. Oh, okay, y'all. So now it's time for me to use this concealer. Yeah, I feel like, you know how SpongeBob was telling Patrick, like, he could get the top on there? What was that episode? Finally. I feel like Patrick. Shoot. Okay. I need to contour. I wish I had time where I could cream contour. But let me see. This the Conceal and Hydrate in F14. No, this one is 13. Okay, I have 14. This is darker than me. So let's see if I can cream my. Oh, no, which one do I use? My MAC. Skin finish, and I'm gonna dust away the powder and set the rest of my face. Oh, I said I was gonna come back after I did my mascara. So we're gonna go ahead and do it together. Ooh. I'm gonna put my blush on, do my little moles, all that. I'm not gonna do my bottom mascara yet. I think I want to do bottom lashes too. Like, oh. Yeah, I kept looking at my face like something ain't right. Forgot to bronze. So let me do that before I put my blush on. In so long. Maybe not on my cheeks, but maybe I put it on my nose. Oh, look, in the Patricia Bright palette, there's a Rich in Life. There's a white shade called Angel. Let me see what that's going to do. It's real white. I ain't trying to be fine no more. Yeah, now that I done fixed it, I ain't doing it no more. I'm just gonna stick with my basics of what I know, y'all. I was about to just cut the video and be like, but hey, things happen. I need to go put my lashes on, come back and do my bottom mascara. And figure out what I'm gonna put on my lips, which is probably gonna be a nudie situation. Okay, so yeah, back with my lashes on, bottom. Oh, my lips look so good. I like this. Yeah. Okay, so I pink curl my hair. I'm gonna take my hair down and come back and show y'all like the final look after I do everything. I might put a little shadow under, I don't know. I might just leave it alone. But yeah, so I'll just come back with like the final look when I take my hair down, all that, put my clothes on. Y'all, this is my final look. What y'all think? I think it came out cute. I'm still like fiddling with my hair, but for the most part, this is the look. And I'll take a picture of my outfit. Y'all see I just put me on some little press-on nails. Child. And I'm about to finish fiddling with this hair, but I'll post a picture of my outfit and all that kind of stuff. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, and tell somebody about me. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.